wanna say to me now? I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Hi guys, on this video I want to do a deep cleaning. I want to clean this kitchen. As you have already seen, I want to remove this wallpaper. This wallpaper has been here for close to 5 years or more, so I'm done with it, as you can see. I want to remove it. I want to wash this curtains and do some scrubbing on the floor and whatever that is in this kitchen. For this cleaning, I'm using this Boom for Smart Purpose cream with microparticles for powerful cleaning. That's what I'm using. I'm also having this ufresh, it's a multi-purpose tablet, yeah, and my vinegar mix. Yeah, that's what I'm going to use to do the cleaning. And I have also my microfiber cloth. This is what I'm going to use to clean this kitchen. So let's go into the video.
In this Clean With Me video, I show you my favorite cheap products that I'm going to use. And I will start by cleaning my dishes. Doing that, I am using my favorite Lemon Sunlight dishwash with the hot water. It leaves my dishes shining and sparkling. Then I wipe every walls and counters by using Boom Force Matte Purple Screen, and it was wow. My helper joined me and she helped me to clean the oven and mop the floor. We used the baking soda, vinegar and water to clean the oven and finishes with Boom Matte Purple Screen. I love the feeling after good cleaning, and I hope this will help and motivate you to deep clean your kitchen. After that, I tried to organize everything to create more space in the kitchen.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, yeah.
Yeah, that is it for today's video. Hope you have learned 1 or 2 things to use in your kitchen. Don't forget to give more love by supporting my channel, sharing my videos, subscribe to my channel, leave a good comment, and also to give this video a thumbs up. It means a lot, guys. I have a master bedroom cleaning video. You can go and check to get inspired.